I wore this. I got it when I was captain of India, so I decided I would wear it, but I did not realize that it is so loose. But I got this when I was captain, so I decided to wear it today. Yes, which is a good thing actually. पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि it's an honor that I've been asked to take this role by the members when it's a new start for the BCCI. Coincidentally, fortunately or unfortunately, even when I became captain, it was a similar sort of a situation when I captained India for 6 years. And this is a similar sort of situation where things need to be brought back in place. Reforms need to be done. There's huge amounts of money to be paid to state associations, so it's a completely new start. So from that point of view, I find myself very fortunate to be in a position where I can make a change, and then it's a challenge. I'll do it the way I know. I'll do it the way which I feel is best for BCCI, with no compromise on credibility, corruption free, and same for all BCCI. That's the way I led India, and that's the way I will take forward this organization with whatever time I have. It's a very young group with Jay as Joint Secretary, Arun as Treasurer, Jayesh as the Joint Secretary, and Jay Shah the Secretary. So it's a very young team, so we will have to do a lot of hard work to understand every matter. We don't know what's happened in the last 3 years because we were not a part of it. There were no AGMs, there were no working committee meetings, there were no committee meetings, so we have no idea how it has happened last year. So we'll take note of everything and then do what is best for the BCCI and Indian cricket. We all must understand that we are here to work for Indian cricket, because that's what it is the job of BCCI. The game on the field, international cricket, domestic cricket, IPL cricket, and we will do that to the best of our abilities. It's been good. It's been a lot peaceful. Obviously, once the elections are done, once the nominations are settled, it becomes a lot easier. So it's the first day I sat on a chair where some stalwarts have sat, and it was the same thing when I was captain. When I was given the captain's India blazer, there were some great names who led the country during that period before me, and it's the same thing here. So I have a role to do, and I will do to the best of my ability. I'll speak to him tomorrow. He's the captain of India. I think he's the most important man in Indian cricket as captain of India. I look at it that way. So we'll have a word with him, and as I said, we'll support him in every possible way. He wants to make this team the best in the world. It's been a great team, to be honest, the way they have played cricket in the last 3-4 years. They've been a fantastic side. Yes, you can say they haven't won a World Cup, but you don't win World Cups every time. So hopefully we'll support him to whatever he wants, and make sure that Indian cricket goes ahead smoothly. In terms of the test venues, we have a lot of states, a lot of venues, so we'll have to sit with him and see what he wants in that way, and take it forward from there. That'll be the first thing we'll do, and we will get it done before the actual Ranji Trophy season starts. You see, the structures are there. The tournaments are there. There are a lot more teams now. In the last 3 years, the matches have doubled actually. When I played for Bengal and some of my colleagues played for the other state, there were about 1,000 games to be looked at. Now there are 2,000 games with new states, new affiliations. So we'll have to account for it. It's already been accounted this season. We'll have to make sure that the best tournament in the country is competitive, and it remains important to everyone, because that's where you get the Kohlis and the MS Dhonis and Ajinkya Rahanes of Indian cricket, Rohit Sharmas of Indian cricket. So that structure has to be at its best, and both structure wise and financially, and that'll happen. That'll be the first thing to be done by the Apex Council. Make sure the first class players are looked after. Yeah, life's moved ahead. I agree. I came here as a young boy. I remember scoring my first 100 for India. It was against Pakistan in an under-19 match at the Wankhede Stadium, different Wankhede Stadium, and we stayed at the Sea Green Hotel next door. So I remember getting 100 against that Pakistan team, which actually triggered my career off. Got picked for Ranji Trophy, my Test match 100 here, Test match wins here, and then coming back for the IPL last year for Delhi, winning here again, and then as BCCI president, captain, obviously various matches, various performances at the Wankhede Stadium, and this is a great city, the great city to play cricket. I've always said Mumbai, the amount of cricketers this city has given to Indian cricket is unbelievable. And hopefully this association, this organization, this cricket fraternity can be strong, will continue to be strong and produce the greats they have over the years. You know, look at the players they have produced: Gavaskar, Tendulkar, Venksaker, Rohit Sharma, Ajinkya Rahane, and few others, Ajit Wadekar. I may have missed some of them. So it's a great city for cricket, and this ground has never let me down. So hopefully in my next role, as in a different capacity, we will be able to get this administration and Indian cricket stronger. It's an apex council. I wouldn't say it's replaced the working committee, because no, it's not. It's not correct. No, it's not correct. The apex council can give any powers to the office bearers. So it's not actually the right interpretation of the order. If you look at the Apex Council powers, they will designate powers to the Secretary, President and Joint Secretary, and they can give them any power. And I think Secretary and President and the Treasurer and all the office bearers are very important for the proper functioning of BCCI. I wouldn't say control, because I don't enjoy that word control. It's about proper functioning of BCCI. And we'll have to be in the thick of things, because at the end of the day, the responsibility has been put on us to get things going in the right way. So of course it has to be looked properly, and will be there in every aspect. Yo, that's a great thing. Imagine Anshuman Gaikwad and Mohammad Azharuddin in that room. I've been there for 4 or 5 years now. There is Niranjan Shah's son, who a consistent first-class cricketer. And with time, we miss Roger Binney, and hopefully he'll be here soon at some stage. So with time, cricketers will come into the system. And I think it's a great mix with cricket and administrators. That balance, both can complement each other, and cricket being the reason why this institution and this building is. Cricketers are a very important part of this organization. Yeah, conflict is still an issue. If you look at the last status report filed by the COA, they have addressed the conflict issue. I don't know when it will be heard and when it will be solved, so I really don't know about that. But we have to create the CAC, because the CAC will appoint a lot of selectors and other members, which are important part of Indian cricket. So we will do that, and we'll make sure that they don't have any conflict of interest. Neeru, I really don't know what it transpired with the COA and Virat and Ravi. So I don't know, but now obviously the new body has taken over, the new office bearers have taken over. It'll be a proper discussion, and everything will be mutually discussed and taken forward. But be rest assured that we are here to make their life easier, not make their life difficult, and everything will be on the basis of performance. Performance is the most important thing, and that's what will decide the future of Indian cricket. And as I said, Virat Kohli is the most important man in this entire context. So we will be there to support him. We'll listen to him, because I have been a captain myself and I understand from that position, and we will deal with it. So it's a mutual respect which will be there. Opinions will be there, discussions will be there, and we'll do what is best for the game. Nahi, mera abhi baat nahi hua. I've just taken over today. So hopefully we will meet soon and have a word with one of the greats of the Indian game, Indian cricket.